welcome to Budding Bookworms. I'm Miss Katrina.
And I'm Miss Hannah. And this is the last episode of our Budding Bookworms virtual story time. But we ask you to please continue to enjoy past videos anytime, and we will include a link to find our Budding Bookworms playlist in the video description below.
And that means that summer is right around the corner. So we are very excited to say that we will be doing in-person story times as well as family programs. We look forward to seeing you out at Shattuck Park, where we're going to be doing 2 story times as well as a bunch of different family programs throughout the summer. So, and then of course our traditional reading challenge that we always have. So just check our website or Facebook for updates about that. I have my mystery bag that we're gonna do. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Katrina has a mystery bag, mystery bag, mystery bag. Katrina has a mystery bag, I wonder what's inside. All right, so in here I have a bird.
Oh, I love birds.
So you get to guess. This bird is black,
Okay.
and white, and red.
3 colors.
Yes.
Okay.
You might see them on the sides of trees looking for bugs. And they kind of make a sound like this. Do you know what that is?
I do. And I think there is an example of one right here on the cover of our book. This is a woodpecker.
It is. So let me show you my little, it even comes with its own tree.
Right where he belongs.
Yeah. So here, and this one, because it's spring, even has
Surprise.
some babies.
Oh, how cute.
So let's listen to it one more time. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. So when you hear that sound, you can know that is a woodpecker looking for some bugs inside the tree.
We'd like to share a song with you that has you thinking about other birds and the special things they do. This song is called This Is a Bird. And I will start, and then we'll have some surprise puppets to show you. This is a bird that flaps its wings,
Flaps its wings, flaps its wings. This is the bird that flaps its wings and flies away in the morning. All right, so now I've got one. This is a bird that soars up high, soars up high, soars up high. This is a bird that soars up high and flies away in the morning.
I have another bird. This is a bird that runs so fast, runs so fast, runs so fast. This is a bird that runs so fast and runs away in the morning.
This is the bird that swims in the sea, swims in the sea, swims in the sea. This is a bird that swims in the sea and swims away in the morning.
And we have one more. This is a bird that hunts at night, hunts at night, hunts at night. This is a bird that hunts at night and goes to sleep in the morning.
We are going to read a great new book with you called How to Find a Bird. So watch and listen for us to point and say the names of the author and the illustrator. We're going to point to them in 2 places, on the cover and inside on the title page.
And we encourage you to practice this with your books when you read at home. By becoming comfortable handling and navigating the print format of books, your child will be more ready to concentrate on their practice and enjoyment of simply reading when he begins to do so on his own. So, are you ready? Here we go. Let's find out how to find a bird. How to Find a Bird. Written by Jennifer Ward and illustrated by Diana Sudica. Written by Jennifer Ward, illustrated by Diana Sudica. There are a lot of ways to find a bird. That's the wonderful thing about birds. To find a bird, first you'll want to blend in and move slowly. Quiet is good too. So quiet you can hear your heartbeat. Don't just look up to find a bird. Look down. Look to the ground where some birds forage, seeking things hiding in the earth. Look down where some birds sneak snacks. Look down where some birds splash. If you take a walk, watch your step. Some birds nest on the ground. So don't just look up to find a bird. Sometimes you can find a bird by looking straight ahead. You will have to have a sharp eye, sharp as an eagle's eye. Birds are the cleverest blenders of all. At first you may not see them, but if you wait, if you are still, and if you are quiet, you'll see. You are just as clever as a bird. Of course, you can always look up to find a bird too. You can look up high in the sky where birds fly. Sometimes when you look up, you'll find birds simply sitting. If you could perch high in the sky, what might you see? If you want to find a bird, don't be tricked. Some birds are stealthy. There it is. Wait a minute. Where'd it go? Was that even a bird? Sometimes you don't need to find a bird. It will find you. Hello, bluebird. Some birds will announce their presence when they are near. Chick-a-dee-dee-dee-dee. Caw, caw, caw. Or announce your presence when they see you. Hello, Jay. And if you feed them, they will come. Then all you need is a window to find a bird. Some birds can't be found at all unless you read about them. These birds are extinct, which means they no longer exist. But the best way to find a bird, if you want to find one, is to close your eyes. Did you hear that? Did you hear that bird? That's the wonderful thing about birds.